All right, so let's go through the packout setups. Now we're gonna go from top to bottom. So we're gonna go over this bag first. If you guys can guess what's in there, let me know. And then we'll work our way down. Right now they're not labeled, they will be labeled soon. And then everything will be ready when I do a proper van tour. For now, I'm just gonna give you some sneak peeks. All right, so if you guessed vacuum setup, you're right. So this is gonna be the front. We're gonna have core removal tools, which I just busted one, so I need to buy some more. And then in the back, we have the Appian YT, or the Y, I don't know what you call it, the Y. Got an extra depressor right there, service T. And then this is gonna be my vacuum setup. So if you guys have watched my YouTube channel, I've done different vacuum setups. I finally found one that I like, because now that I'm doing Milwaukee, I'm trying to do everything Milwaukee. So I have a 3/8 to 1/4 inch hose. I have two 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch hoses. I have one True Blue hose, which I need to get a better adapter for, because I'm going to need a depressor on this side. So we're still building. That's my True Blue hose. Then I got my cheater cord in this one. So when we need to run a recovery or in a vacuum pump, I got to use a cheater cord. If I need a little room to work with on the cord, got this one. It's about 8 feet, I think. It's a rigid one, 2 USBs and 3 outlets. Then I got an extra hose there. This is the ring that comes with the vacuum pump, but I cap it now. So that's just thrown in there. And then my micron gauge is in here. Now I've shared this before in a different video, but I keep my micron gauge in an old meter bag from Field Piece, because I don't use the meter bags personally. So right here, the Field Piece MG44. This thing works great. Got the little coupler on the end. So instead of rolling around in here or keeping it in a separate pocket, which this one doesn't really have much, we throw it in the little meter bag. So that goes in there, my power cords and my hoses. Like I said, I need to get some core removal tools to replace the ones that I'm not currently using anymore, that are broke. And then this setup will be done. But we take that, vacuum pump, recovery, and our torch setup, and we're good.